Legends! Hope you're having a beautiful day. My name is Joff and I assist people raise their vibration. All right. Today I'm going to do a nice and quick one here, just about the Wim Hof and the connected breath. You know, it's got many names, this beautiful breathing technique, and I've got a few videos. I've got a breathing course, and yeah, so I actually learned this not from Wim Hof. I learned this from a wizardry lady. She was just a legend, and I'm very grateful to her and for her teachings. Her name was Amy. Thank you, Amy. And yeah, so this is called the connected breath, and what this is it's gonna basically activate the DMT within yourself, and it's also going to just spark a higher pace of breath, which will bring in clarity and calmness. There's so many benefits to it. What I'll do is I'll put some stuff in the link down below. You can read about it. I can go on for a while, but you know, better to just experience it and then you feel it. You know, you can always get told about what this does, what that does, but it's all about the experience for me. That's experience for the win. So yeah, what we're going to do now is if you're listening to this on a podcast as well, you can't see me right now, and I'm going to be starting to really just breathe in deeply through my nose and out through my mouth. So the Wim Hof breath, the unity breath, the connected breath, it can be done however you'd like. You know, in through your nose, out through your nose, in through your mouth, out through your mouth. You know, it's up to the individual about how they want to go about it. So I'm going to go through my nose and in through my nose and out through my mouth. And, you know, just start it off. I'll do a practice one that'll go for about 15 seconds right now, and then we'll do one together, all right? So let the experimentation begin. All right, so. All right, I'm not sure how long that was, but that's how it's done. That's how it's done, and it's a nice connected breath, in through your nose, out through your mouth, or like I said before, however you'd like to breathe. And if we do this for an expanded period of time, just see what happens. It's all about, for me, you can always tell people what it's going to do and all that, but you know, when you feel it and you experience it for yourself, that's the ticket for me. That is the big ticket for me, and that's what I'm all about. Like, yeah, I'll give a few different, oh, this will do this, this will do that. But for me, it's about taking the action, actually doing it, practicing it. And that's why we're doing it now, together. Yeah, come on. All right, let's go. We'll see how long I go for. If you know, kind of check out, you check out. But maybe go with me the whole way. Maybe I'll only go for 30 seconds. I don't know. Let's just wing it and let's just do it. All right, let's go, guys. For anyone that's still with me, after you finish this connected breath, breathe nice and slowly and tune into you. Tune into your heart. Tune into your soul. Tune into your energy. Tune into your vibration. And just be with yourself and see what happens. See what happens. It's a good idea in these moments to just stop and be with yourself and see what comes up See what gets released. See what comes in. Higher vibrational frequencies, activations. This breathing technique's a gift. Watch this video as much as you like. And I'm going to put in a video of this of an expanded version that I did of this video, of this technique, that goes for roughly 10 minutes. Thank you very much for being with me. And yeah, if you're listening to this as a Spotify, tune into the link below and you can come and see my longer version that's on YouTube as well. It's a good one. It's a good one. But yeah, remember, with an open mind and an open heart, anything is possible. And if you feel like sharing this video, message, please share this with someone. I love you all. Peace.